Okay guys, so each of you has their own bowl of freshly cut watermelon that I cut myself. And what we're going to do is have a watermelon eating contest. And whoever eats their bowl the fastest wins this super duper awesome guitar. That's not in tune. Okay, why watermelon though? Because, Amanda, I like watermelon, okay? That's what we're going to eat, watermelon. That's why. Whatever, as long as it doesn't mess up my makeup. I have a date tonight. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Are you ready?
Just breathe.
Welcome to the big show.
Count of three. I want every.
Right about now, it's about that time for me to holler. It's awesome, baby. Holler,
Another day.
Done. Why is your puke white? It's yogurt? That ain't no yogurt. Z, have you been giving your hot neighbor blowjobs again? No. I only do that on Saturdays. You're such a slut. I got cum on my face, man. I got cum on my face. I'm an expert swallower. I gotta go to work. Have many calls tonight. See ya later. Ooh, I like her. Like to tap that ass.